Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? We got a busy night, busy night, guys. Swift making some moves today, guys. Rocking the boat, causing some euphoria. We're going to get into it. XCN, Jasmy looking strong. Let's have a look at what's going on here, guys. All right, so Jasmy, up 2.6% on the day, up 17.3% on the week, down 8.1% on the month, but up 543% on the year. We're up one spot and ranked to 72, $1.60 billion market cap, 302.74 million in volume. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. A lot of demand for Jasmy this evening. Looking over on Onyxcoin, 9.3% down on the day, 38.4% up on the week, 1,253% up on the month, and 2,402% up on the year. We're down 5 spots and ranked to 90. $1.04 billion market cap with 289.94 million in volume, guys. Not too bad. Swiftcoin. Look at this big kubasa. Up 30.2% on the day, 152% on the week, 408% on the month, and 2,015% on the year. We are up 30 spots and ranked to 192. $353.28 million market cap with 361.51 million in trading volume. Not too bad, guys. Let's look at some charts. Let's see what's going on. What is going on? Jasmy is looking strong, you guys. Continuing to put in higher lows on a daily basis, higher highs. What we have to do, guys, is get above this line right here for a daily candle close. Could be as soon as tonight or tomorrow. But we may have a choppy weekend at that as well. I'd like to get as far away from this 30-day SMA as we can. So yeah, what I'm looking for is to get up over this level here at 3 cents 581. That would be breaking this downward trend. Because otherwise, right here, all we're doing is putting in the big picture a lower high. And that's no good for nobody, right? Nobody wins with that. But we are looking strong. We're making moves, guys. We'll see what happens over the weekend. Should be interesting. RSI's in neutral still, 56.90, so or 94. I mean, so not too bad. Not too bad. Let's have a look at Onyxcoin. What's going on with XCN? Still consolidating inside of this structure, guys, which is good, which is fantastic. Like I said back here, I wanted to ping pong inside of this bull pennant for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. And so far, we've been playing out very, very nicely. We could come back down to the bottom of this range around that 2 cent 8 level, 2 cent 7 9-ish. I mean, hell, like I said before, we could wick all the way down here to around 2 cents 4 and then close the candle back up inside of this bull pennant, and that would be perfectly fine as well, right? Look what we did down here on this candle. I showed you guys earlier. We wicked all the way down here to 2 cents 219 and then right back up again. See, what matters is where you close these candles, not where you wick down to, right? So pay attention to that, guys. Strong consolidation. What we're doing here, guys, is we're building a strong level of support that you might not find very entertaining right now, but you will love it later when you potentially come back down on a pullback and you catch support down here. You will thank your lucky stars that you did. Moving over to Swift, let's see what's going on with Swift. Swift had a strong move earlier, guys, putting in a new local high at 4 cents 7. But then selling pressure got the best of it. We've wicked back down to about 3 cents 544, which is fine. Well, this candle could reverse and be, 6 cents by the time I wake up tomorrow, right? It's 1 o'clock in the morning right now on the February 1st. So we'll see what happens, guys. But I'll be on top of it. Look what we saw here. Kind of a similar structure, maybe. You had this long break to the upside, 2 daily candles down, and then boom, boom, and then up. Who knows? Maybe we'll repeat something like that, or maybe we'll just keep going, right? Who knows? But we do have a pattern here. If you'll notice, we broke up. We had a red candle, broke up, red, up, red. So let's see what happens here, guys. I think possibly today or tomorrow we could see, I agree, we could see a move up to between 6 to 10 cents, guys. That would be fantastic over the next few days. Maybe it might take till after the weekend. Weekend action can be kind of boring. Next week, the first Monday of February, the last month of Q1, or sorry, the second month of Q1. Sorry, not the last month of Q1. The second month of Q1. Let's see how bullish we can push this, guys. I have a feeling February is going to be face melpuary. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Let's go over to Bitcoin, see what the chart is saying over there, guys. We had now shout out to Otaku on this one. Because he mentioned something on his live stream earlier tonight that I completely forgot to talk about today. So a lot of people were asking me, well, why did we have this pull to the downside? Why did this happen, right? And I was like, could be a lot of reasons, right? But I was anticipating a pullback down. I told you guys this the other day. We could come back down and retest 101,000, and we did. But I forgot why, right? So anyway, the reason why was because we had a whole crap ton of end of the month options expiring today, which is why we had this big move down. Right now, we have a spinning top candle on Bitcoin, kind of neutral, right around that $102,393 level. We rejected once again off 106,200. Massive sell wall there, guys. We got to break through that sell wall if we want to continue up. We will. Eventually, right? $118,000 to $100,000 is my move, likely in February, early February, but we'll see what happens, right? This market can be tricksy. Now, we got a lot more to get into, guys. A lot more to get into. But first, let's go into this article about Jasmy, and then we'll get into more XCN and Swift stuff here, all right? So let's have a look. Jasmy price prediction for February. Jasmy token explodes 40% in a day. Following Bitcoin's rebound above the 105K level, mid-cap altcoins like Jasmy are back in the green once again. The token, according to CoinMarketCap, exploded 40% on the daily chart to hit the 3-cent level, becoming one of the top performers in the altcoin market segment. The market cap has also surged 28% to cross the $1.6 billion threshold, solidifying its position on the list of the first 70 cryptocurrencies in valuation. Take that, Binance. Developed by Jasmy Corporation, a Japanese company specializing in the Internet of Things, Jasmy is a tokenized platform that provides an enabling infrastructure for users to control and monetize their data resources. The project, according to its white paper, leverages the power of blockchain technology to decentralize data usage, ensuring that users can manage and secure their personal data effectively. With data breaches reaching all-time highs, smash that like button for the all-time highs. Jasmy's infrastructure helps users to maximize their data independently without the interference of centralized entities. The platform has collaborated with some big names like Panasonic and Transcosmos to revolutionize IoT technology and deliver data sovereignty and security for users. The core of the ecosystem, the Jasmy token, the utility-driven token that incentivizes data sharing, facilitating transactions and reward participants. Jasmy is among the mid-cap altcoins that have made a resounding comeback following the Fed's latest decision not to hike interest rates. After bottoming out at 2 cents earlier this week due to the uncertainty in the broader market, Jasmy's token started displaying multiple green candles on Thursday and eventually broke out of its resistance level and hit 3 cents too. Jasmy's massive pump follows increased trading activities, especially from bulls. According to CoinGlass, Jasmycoin's open interest has surged to $55 million, its highest since January 15th. Additionally, data from Arkham also shows that Jasmy tokens are leaving centralized exchanges, which further proves that new money is flowing into the market. As the bullish wave of broader market waxes stronger, more bulls may be encouraged to enter positions, potentially pushing the token's price to new highs. Looking at the technical outlook, Jasmy's RSI is hovering between 52 and 62, meaning that it is not yet over overbought. Sorry. This is accompanied by the falling wedge pattern, which could trigger a bullish breakout for the token in the coming days. While it is currently testing the ascending resistance on the daily time frame, there's a growing belief that a breakout above the trend line could send Jasmy to its November 2024 peak of 5.88 cents, marking a 60% pump from its current levels. However, in the event that market conditions turn bearish and the buying frenzy temporarily falters, Jasmycoin could fall below the key support level of 2 cents 31. Failure to hold this critical support may trigger more sell-offs, thereby pulling the price to 2 cents 1. Above all, considering Jasmy's strong technical indicators, its upward potential is quite higher than the downward potential. It is therefore no surprise that traders are anticipating between 4 cents 5 and 4 cents 8 within the next few days, or within the first few days, of February. Beyond the technical fundamentals, what could eventually determine the price, Jasmy's price performance, especially in the long term, is the activities of its platform on the IoT arena. Already, Jasmy, thanks to its focus on data security and privacy, has gained ground, cementing strategic collaborations with top names for its IoT solutions. With the increasing demand for secure and decentralized data management, Jasmy solutions could see more adoption across various industries. The possibility could expose Jasmy to a broader investor base and propel its price above $1 before the end of 2025. However, if the enthusiasm around the project wanes, perhaps due to the arrival of similar or more innovative projects, the token may struggle to surpass the 7 cent level. Where can I buy Jasmy? You know where to buy Jasmy. I'm not going to get into that. So there you go. There you go, guys. Jasmy making moves, getting notoriety, big things popping, little things stopping, jack stacked and fanny packed. Swiftcoin blockchain is the next gen global cross-chain swap protocol and payment network. Its native token Swift has skyrocketed 130+% since January 29th. And now boasts a $357 million market cap. Are you riding the blue wave? Let's go, guys. Absolutely. We got some marketing here from Onyxcoin, reaching out continually from Chain. No matter your project, Chain has you covered. The one-stop solution for all your blockchain infrastructure needs, guys. Chain continues its marketing rampage, riding momentum. And on top of that, what does this mean? Look at this, guys. Now, listen, we had a very exciting conversation over on the Patreon tonight, right? We do lives over there. And we speculated on what this could mean. What is 80888? Because what it says here is, all they said was 80888 soon, XCN. A lot of interesting answers. But the one that stuck with me, that I hope is true, is that is part of a number on a whale, or on one of the Binance wallets, which indicates potentially soon a Binance listing. Could we see an announcement maybe tomorrow, February 1st, when we wake up? It's today, but tomorrow, of a pending Binance listing. Everyone is hot with anticipation, with their ear to the concrete, waiting to be the first to mention it, guys. We're going to see if it happens. Could be the worst kept secret in crypto. We'll find out, guys. But listen, you want to join these conversations over on the Patreon. We are so jacked up about a gem that we're accumulating right now, guys, that's going to move just like Onyxcoin, guys. We're going to be looking at 2,000 to 3,000% returns on this one when it pops off. When it pops off, we don't know. What we do know is we were accumulating Onyxcoin since March of last year. And we accumulated and we accumulated and we hodled. And guess what? We got rewarded with a 3,000% return. Guess what else we were accumulating around that time frame? Swiftcoin over on the Patreon, guys. And it's just getting warmed up for a 2,000 to 3,000% return as well. My next target for Swiftcoin, 6 to 10 cents, guys, from where we were buying it, fractions of a penny. Yes, please, right? That and so much more, guys. We're looking at 3 gems over there right now that we're accumulating. One in particular that I am extremely jazzed about, guys. Get over there, find out what it is, get into these projects before they pump 2,000 or 3,000%, not after. We won't be chasing a green candle on something that all the content creators are talking about now, right? Let's find you something. Get over and look at our gems that will be pumping in a couple of months, right? Don't look for instant gratification, guys, and chase green candles. We were buying Onyxcoin when everyone was talking about KASPA, and which is a great project, don't get me wrong, but everyone was looking at the shiny new thing, and we were accumulating boring old Onyxcoin, boring old XCN that no one was talking about, no one was looking at, to this $25 million market cap project no one gave a crap about. We were buying it like crazy, guys, right? And we have had over 20 people announce on the Patreon in the last 2 weeks that they have hit 7-figure portfolios from being on our Patreon, guys. So get over there. Do not miss out. Join our daily lives over there as well, guys. Absolutely get all your questions answered, not only by me, but a lot of other veterans in this asset class, guys. We have ballooned up in the community to almost 1,400 members now, guys, over on the Patreon. Come and join, add your voice to ours, join the community, join our group calls, get in early on these gems. And on top of all of that, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So check that out, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe we'll see a Binance listing. Who knows?